All right, you guys, come on into my kitchen. We're going to be preparing gemstone potatoes. There's some colorful potatoes, and we're going to be creaming them up, skin and all. And look at those pretty vibrant colors. We're going to wash them all up. We're going to put them in a pot of boiling water and let them boil until they are tender. Now, these potatoes took a lot longer to boil than normal potatoes. So I would say they probably boiled about an hour. So let them boil until they're tender. And when they come out, you want to pour all the water off, drain them. And what I have here, I have some potato toppers. And I'm going to be mashing them with my hand masher, first of all. And then I'm going to get my blender and puree them to where they're a little more smoother. And we're going to put about a little over half a stick of butter. Just a little over half a stick of butter or margarine. We're going to add milk, black pepper, and we're not going to add any salt because there's salt in the potato toppers. We have one potato topper that's just a regular potato topper. It's got chives and everything in it. And then there's one potato topper that has bacon and chives. So we're going to use all of those in these potatoes. Again, this is a total of 3 pounds of potatoes. 3 pounds. And once we get everything mixed in there, because everything is still hot, we're going to seal it up with saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes right before it's time to be served, so that they're steamy hot and ready to be eaten with whatever meal you have planned for these potatoes. These potatoes were a request that we do them with the skins on, and they came out wonderful. So I really would like for you to put in the comment below. Let me know if you've had these gemstone potatoes. They're by Melissa's. And if you have not, let me know if you're going to try it. You can watch us mukbang these potatoes at PromoSTK Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and also at PromoSTK Sheila Creations Way, where you're watching us now. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and become our family, our oh yeah babies, and also get all of our notifications when we upload a video and if we go live, because we do upload videos every